Now I will show you how to do the things. Okay, how to download the Debian package. For that, so I will write apt minus get. Okay, and I will tell, can you please download, and what is the name of the software? MyPaint, or the package name. So it will download for me. You can see it's downloaded. If you want to check, just click over here. You can see it's downloaded. And also if you can check from, because right now you are by default at the home, you can hit ls. So see, this is the Debian file. And if you want to install, it's very easy. You need dpkg manager, right? Dpkg manager, and you need to talk with him as a sudo. Okay, and after that you have to tell him what you want. I want to install, and just type my or few words and hit tab. Automatically it will take the things. Hit enter. You can see it's unpacking the things. Okay, so you can see error in processing my package my paint, right? Means it's not installed correctly. So it's a issue with the this OS. Just click here. You can see it's not installed correctly. So how to fix that? That's a very important thing, how to fix that. Okay, so let me close here. Okay, okay, so let me go to the terminal. Yep. So how to fix that? That's a very important thing. Okay, installation showing is not a big thing, which most of the tutorial will show you. But if the error will come, how to fix on the runtime, because you are a beginner, but error will not give do partiality, right? So how to fix that? So let me clear the screen first. So first of all, in order to fix this kind of issue, which is not right now, you don't need to worry about the command which I'm running. We will see and we will look into that in upcoming classes. But right now, how to fix that, right? So you need to clean. So first of all, you need to run this command, which is sudo apt-get auto remove. So it will remove some like previous things from your system, all dependency. So see, no dependency found. Now what you need to do again, you have to clear the cache. So for that you have to run like purge remove, and you have to auto clean. Just hit enter, and yep, it's done. Now next is you just need to type this one, sudo apt-get install -f. So it will deal with all your broken things, means all the software which are not installed properly, which are broken, it will take care of that. So it's, you can see it's working on my paint here, right? So it's working on the my paint because it's broken that moment of time. So let it work, and after that the issue got fixed easily. So this is some bugs in the software, bugs in the operating system which we can't do. Okay, which we can't deal. Okay, so that will come as a middle of the course to interrupt you, but don't worry about that. I will help you to how to fix this bugs. And these things will come as per the experience, when you have experience. So right now you're a beginner, so don't worry about how I'm fixing right now, because so don't worry about that. Okay, so you can see it's done. Now I will go here and let me see. So you can see my paint is coming properly. If I will click over here, so it will do the things properly, right? So let me click and let me show you. Yep. So you can see this my paint is working properly fine. But my question is, what if I have to remove this software from here, right? That's the important part as well. So let me show you how to remove this from here itself. So you know how to remove, right? In order to remove anything, let me clear the screen first using clear command. In order to remove, there is only one guy who knows the thing, is our dpkg manager. Just go here and tell him, can you please remove, and the software name. So that's my paint, right? And hit enter. So after that he will start his work, and you will see this guy is disappeared from here, right? So just go to the terminal back, click here in the terminal, and you come back. So yep, it's removed. If you want to check, it's very easy. Cross verify, type my paint. So you can see nothing is there, right? Everything has been removed. Okay, and Ubuntu Software Center have this thing. So if you go to the Ubuntu Software Center, there you can see, let me, there is a software. If you want, you can install it from there. But right now, for this moment, we have successfully uninstalled the thing. So I hope you understood the things. I try to correlate it with a lot easier way in real life scenario, so you will not forget the thing, because the people try to just show you the commands, but you will not have the feelings for the command. So that I'm trying to make for my students here, right? Because I'm working from a long time in the Linux machines, and Linux operating systems like from my school days. Even right now I am a software architect, so these things are quite old school days things, so that's I'm trying to make you easier. Okay, based on my experience. I hope you understood the thing. So okay, let's see you in my next video. So bye bye.